Hi everyone, welcome to my new tutorial about how to solve both problem of JDK. All you have may face this problem after installing JDK on your laptop or desktop. You can find Java version, but you can't find Java compiler version. Okay, let me solve this problem for you within 1 minute. Okay, here is my desktop. Let me open my command prompt, and if I type javac version, you can see that it's not recognized my javac command. Let me solve this problem. For this, go to properties of your computer, my computer, and then go to advanced settings. After going to advanced settings, go to advanced tab and select environment variables. After this, all you have to do, just edit this path and add a new path. For this new path, we have to find the JDK path at first. Go to local for disk where I have installed my JDK, then program files, and then Java, and then JDK, and then bin. After doing this, copy this path to paste there. I have copied, and then go again this environment variables, add new variables, and paste the path, and then select OK, and OK. Yes, your job is done. Now let me check whether it's done or not. Let me open my command prompt and again type javac and version. Okay, it's showing me my Java compiler version. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like my video. If you like my video, then please comment and share my video, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you for again.